Okay, so hello people. So today we will be solving LeetCode daily question 1356, that is sort integers by the number of 1 bits. Okay, in this we'll be given an array of integers, and in that we'll have to sort the integers in ascending order on the number of ones in their binary representation. And in this case, in the case if two or more integers have same number of ones, we have to return sort them in the uh, ascending order only. Okay, so let's move to the explanation of test case. Like in the first test case, I have given the this array 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So in 0 we know that we are having zero number of 1 bit, so 0 will come first. Then in 1 we are having only 1 bit of 1. Then similarly for 2 we are having 2's binary representation is as 1 0, so we are only having 1 bit. Similarly for 4, okay, let's say 2 is equal to this, and similarly 4 will be equal to 100. Similarly, so that's why this is before 3. Okay, and similarly for 8 and 3 case we are having two 1 bits, that is 1 and 1. And similarly in case of 5 we are having 5 which is equal to 101. Okay, so in this, as we can see that the number of bits are same, 1 bits are same, that is 2 and 2. So that's why we are putting so in that question it is given that if two or more integers have the same number of ones, we have to sort them in the ascending order. So that's why we are just putting 3 before 5. Okay, so what we can do this using the simple comparator class, comparator interface, basically not class in Java. But in if you want to go for another languages, I can just show you how you can implement the comparator interface. Okay, so first what will be needing will be having to create a custom class of comparator. Let's say class, let's call it custom comparator, that implements okay, okay, implements, okay, comparator class, comparator of integer. Okay, so in this case let's have a firstly what we'll be doing, we'll be having a method. Let's say public int compare, because in the compare class we are having comparator class, we are having the compare method. Okay, and it will be taking basically two parameters, integer a and integer b. Okay, so what this compare function will be doing is if integer dot bit count of a is equal to integer dot bit count of b, then what we'll be doing, we'll be simply returning a minus b. What it will be doing, that it will be calculating the difference, and if a is greater than a is less than b, so it will be returning me a first. Okay, otherwise what it will be doing, it will be simply returning integer dot bit count of a minus integer dot bit count of b. Okay, so now let's create an object for this. First let's convert the int array to integer array. Okay, let's say integer nums will be equal to arrays dot string arr dot boxed method, and what we'll be doing, we'll be converting it to array of integer uh, with new. Okay, so now what we'll be doing, we'll be creating a object comparator integer, let's call it custom only. Okay, which will be equal to new custom comparator Okay, we are just have to create the object. Okay, so new custom comparator. And what we'll be doing, we'll be now using the arrays.sort function with our custom comparator. With the array which we have to sort as nums with the custom comparator. And then what we'll be returning arrays.string nums. And what we'll be doing, we'll be converting these integers values to int by using the method that is map to int integer colon int value dot to array. Okay, so this is how what we can do. Now let's submit it. Yeah, and it gets accepted. So now let's submit it. Okay, it's taking some time. Yeah, and it gets accepted. Okay, so this was it for today. Thank you for watching.